Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing these super cute cards. These I'm using both stencil and chipboards. So these are the stencils that I bought. I literally got this at the 99-cent store. I wish they had different styles, but it's the only one that they had. And this is like the peel away. It has like a little stick to it, but it doesn't ruin your card or your paper at all. And then I bought these are from Recollections. They come 3 in a pack. I think I bought these at Michael's. They were on sale. I think I paid like $1 or something for 3 of them. So I think it was a super cute deal. You could leave them natural or you can paint them. In this case, I'm going to leave them natural today. All right, so these are just a few of the samples that I made. So what's chipboard on here is the heart. And then I just die cut the word thanks out on this one. Here's the stencil that I used. I'm using all the same stencil, just with different types of coloring. So in other words, this was done with my distressed inks from Tim Holtz, and I just used my little dabber, and I went in with different colors on this one. And then with all the other ones, I just used regular acrylic paint with a brush. Actually, no, I used the dabber as well. I'm sorry, not the brush, with a dabber. That's that one. And this is the last one. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. It's super easy to do. So I'm starting off with a card base that it's an A2 card. It's a side folding card, and it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then the top panel, one of the top panels is because I want 1/8 of an inch to be around the border to see the white around it. So you cut 1/8 of an inch on either end to make it like that. And then I went ahead and did 1/8 of an inch on both sides again to get this part right here, which is the one that we're going to be stenciling on. And then comes this piece that I used another die cut. This die cut is rectangular, measuring 4 5/8 by 3 3/8. But of course you could use whatever. You could even use a circle, I guess. You could just, you know, get creative. So I'm going to go ahead and start by putting down the stencil. You put it wherever you want to. I'm going to just go ahead and move it over a little bit. Like that. And what's nice about it is that you don't have to put tape around it because it literally sticks down to the table. It's really, really nice. Let me get this a little bit more centered for you. It keeps moving. I apologize. I have to get a new one. Okay. Now, I'm going to go ahead, and the closest that I had to red was this abandoned coral. So let's see how that turns out. So you just go in with your dabber, and I'm using the wrong color. I have one for that one, which is here. And you just go in nicely. And of course you can make it, if you want it a little bit darker, I'm gonna go in a second time. So to make it a more vibrant red. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward so I don't bore you with this. Wow, that is so pretty. I so love this. It's amazing. For $1, you just can't go wrong. And then just to show you how quick and easy this card is. So this chipboard, this is the other chipboard. This I decided to I came in, I didn't have red paint, so I just came in with my red marker. This is from Art Alternatives. Great company. I was having problems with the original markers, and they were nice enough to send me a whole set for free, because they saw that the nibs were just completely destroyed on the other ones for no reason. They were crystallizing, and they realized it, so they made a better kind of marker, and this is what they came up with, and it's working like a charm. So I just took the square nib, and I just went in and covered it in, and I did it softly. I didn't hurt the nib at all, as you can see. Sorry, I'm off. Let's see if it focuses, and it didn't harm it at all. So either that or just use acrylic paint. Okay, now we're gonna start literally just, I don't like using glue for this because it warps the card. So basically I just go around the edges. Okay, this is our first layer, and again, center it about 1/8 inch is what I wanted. So, and then we're gonna go ahead and put this one on. And then we center that just like that. Actually, if you wanted to leave it like that, you could. If you wanted to see more of the design, you know, it's again just being creative and however you choose to do it. But in my case, I do want to put this on here. I should have used white, but I'm going to go with the red. Just to give it some contrast, I should have gone with the white, but it's okay. We'll stick to the plan here. Again, this is top folding. I mean, this is side folding. Actually, it could be either way you want. I actually want it to be like this. So that looks right. And then we have to come in. And for this, I do like to use good glue. So you could either use E6000, or what I have also is Gorilla Glue. And I won't put much on it because, like I said, I don't want it to warp. But I wouldn't use just any glue for this, like paper glue, because it is a chipboard. And you want to make sure that it stays on there. And it doesn't need much. Okay. Okay, and then we put it right in the center. Let that dry for a second. And then I have two chipboards. I have this one that says love, that I could have painted it in white as well. That would have been a pretty contrast to it. And I also have the word hugs. So I kind of like the word hugs for some reason. I like it better. So I'm going to go ahead with that. Like I said, this I could have painted this as well, but I'm going to leave it in its natural state. I wanted to show you guys how quick and easy it is to make a card. You know, to me it's more meaningful than just going to the store and spending. And some cards are like really expensive nowadays, $7-8, and people literally just like throw them out. These, at least they'll think about it twice and say, she made it by hand. I think I'm gonna keep this one. You know, it just has more meaning to it. That's just my opinion. But then we go ahead and put it there in the center. Guys, look how pretty that is. You could use it for any occasion. I mean, I just love it. So guys, I'm going to be doing a giveaway, and so just stay tuned. My next video, I'm going to give all the details of what is required for you to be a part of it. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for your support. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. That's why I'm doing this giveaway. So I'm super stoked. So thank you so much, guys, and have a blessed day.